Hello and welcome. Let's make these Jason masks today in honor of Halloween. Grab your supplies. Take a ball of white clay and roll it out into the mask shape. Basically, this is a flattened teardrop shape. And then place it on a rounded surface, such as a tool or a pencil. Begin placing the dots on the mask. Take a very thin piece of red clay and put it just above where the eyes will be, one on each side. And then place in the holes for the eyes. Place a small piece of white clay in between the eyes for the nose. And then smooth out the edges and blend them in. If you are enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and in celebration of Halloween, I'll be posting a video every day for the month of October. Place the dots on at the bottom of the mask. Take another tiny piece of red clay and place one on each side of the nose. Finish placing on your dots. Roll out 5 small balls of silver clay and then place them on the mask. Make a second one, and then bake your pieces. Now apply your black paint. Only place them in the dotted holes we made. After you finish both pieces, let them dry completely. Use a damp soapy cloth and remove all the excess paint. If you didn't get paint into all the holes, you can always repeat the process. Glue on your earring backings. And another pair of Halloween earrings are complete. I actually had a lot of fun making these, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. Bye!